Did you know that one Viking invasion accidentally changed the course of English history forever? Just 3 weeks before the famous Battle of Hastings, King Harold faced an even deadlier enemy. Harold Hardrada, the 7-foot-tall last great Viking, had spent decades conquering lands from Sicily to Jerusalem. Now he wanted England's throne. Harold's surprise attack caught King Harold completely off guard, but the English king wasn't giving up without a fight. He force-marched his entire army 185 miles in just 4 days to launch a devastating counterattack at Stamford Bridge. The battle was absolutely brutal. Of the 300 Viking ships that arrived, only 24 were needed to carry the survivors home. Harold Hardrada was dead, and the Viking Age was officially over. But here's the twist. This victory actually doomed England. Harold's exhausted army had to march 250 miles south to face William the Conqueror. They arrived at Hastings with tired, depleted troops. Harold's failed invasion had inadvertently handed victory to the Normans, changing England forever.